My name is Stanley Dunn, and I've been going into the water for the last 5 years. My job is to go out there and set the traps again, take all the dead stuff out and then bring them out. It's hard work, but yeah, you gotta love what you're doing in there. Yeah, and I love what I'm doing. I feel alive, and it's my home. There, my backyard, my front yard, and yeah, it's pretty mean when you go look back up there after the 1080 job. You see all the trees coming back to life. Working for my family, it's for the community, and it's for the next generations. A long day for our bush to be alive again, and it's lovely. Look at it. It's our land. At the back there, it's our land, and we should be all caring about it. Because next minute, another 20 years, it could be not there.